Hi, my name is Aaron Reese. I am the creator of the new comic book series Black Blizzard. I have been working on this world and these characters for a long while now. The story follows a group of hardened criminals and investigators who have reached an uneasy truce to stop an occult serial killer who has disrupted the fabric of their city and perhaps reality itself. I've been working on this for years, however, my plans to publish it were derailed in 2019 when I was diagnosed with advanced stage cancer. And then after chemotherapy, radiation, 2 surgeries, and a rather serious touch-and-go bout with COVID, I decided that I could no longer work an unrewarding day job, so I quit and decided to do what I love, this, and subsequent projects that are already in the pipeline. I've never been more determined to make something a success in my life, and I hope you'll find it as rewarding as I have. With your support, you won't just be helping me fulfill my dream of being a full-time storyteller, you'll be investing in stories that you can follow for months and years to come. With so much darkness around us, I hope that you'll find this as welcome an escape as I have. To those of you who have already lent your support to this project, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it and how much I love you. To you and to all those who will help me fulfill my dream of becoming the storyteller, I won't let you down. Thank you.